Hi there, job seekers. Welcome to Seeds Job Fair, a visual career fair site. From this video, we will walk you through our platform so that you will have a smooth experience with us. As you can see here, there are a few career fairs to choose. Please make sure that you choose the career fair that you want to attend. Once you have registered in the wrong career fair, you will not be able to use the same email for the other career fair. This is the login page. If you already made an account from previous VYCAP, you can just log in using your previous account. If you are new, click the Student tab and fill in your details to register. Remember, all of the details here will be available for the recruiters to view, so make sure that the details are correct so that the recruiters will be able to contact you and review your qualifications. Once you are logged in, you will see the home page. On the top right corner, you'll see an announcement board made live during the event to announce student vital infos regarding the event. Have trouble knowing your career path? Click on the Talent Corp Next questionnaire to find out your passion. At the bottom of the homepage, you'll see Company's booth where your job hunting begins. On the left, we have the navigation bar. My Activity shows you the past sessions that you have. Auditorium is a page where you can join webinar sessions where professionals or recruiter will be talking about their companies or special talks. The Overview is the overview of how the career fair is doing. Now, to further input your details, go to Edit Profile. Here, you can edit your details. Take a look at the top tabs. We have Document and Link, where you can upload any supporting documents like resume or LinkedIn profile. The Skill tab will be the list of skills that you want to put for recruiter to know. For availability, this tab is important for you to put because the recruiter will be able to see when you are available for one-to-one session. Click on a company that you are interested in and you'll see details about them, such as description, job opportunity, and more. Click the Drop Resume button to drop your resume for recruiter to review. If the recruiter is interested, they will schedule a one-to-one session with you. To ask questions in a public forum, click the Forum button, where the recruiter will answer your question. You will also have a chance to talk with the recruiter in a group session. Each group will have a maximum of 5 people joining. Click Join Group Session and it will be automatically saved into your group's session box. The Forum button will lead to a forum page. This allows recruiter to engage with a lot of students at the same time. You will be able to ask them any inquiry among your peers and also refer the answer from the previously asked questions. Back at the home page, you will see that there are 3 boxes. Your upcoming group sessions will be saved here. This will help you to keep track of the sessions and to make sure that there are no time clash. Upcoming one-to-one sessions with recruiters will be located in Scheduled Session box. If a recruiter is interested to contact you, they will schedule a one-to-one session. You will be notified through this box and through your email as well. When a recruiter is ready to talk to you for both group or one-to-one session, it will go into the Active Session box. You are now ready to talk to the recruiter. Once you click Go to Session, you will go to the chat room. Here, you can personally message the recruiter and it is time for you to sell yourself to them. Some recruiters might even invite you for a video call, so make sure your browser is all set with the Zoom video call plugin that can be downloaded from the homepage. After you are done talking to the recruiter, you can go back to the homepage and repeat the same process with other companies. While you wait for your turn to talk to recruiters or simply want to learn more about companies and get career advices, you can head to Auditorium on your left navigation bar. Here, you can see all available webinars during VYCAPS 2.0, together with all the details. To join, just click Join Now. Make sure to join within the specified time. If you missed the webinar that you wanted to join, check out the event Facebook page. We might record the webinars and post it there. In any case you are experiencing technical issues or have questions, we are here to help. Just click our green Got Question button on bottom right of the screen. Here we have live chat with tech support team from Innovaseed Solution, always ready to help you. There you go, fellas. Good luck in job hunting and thank you for using our platform.